Hi guys, I wanted to just share with you guys what I figured out over the last couple of days that we've been scrambling to figure out how to connect with kids from home. And I wanted to create something where I could have picture in picture and still have my ELMO projecting my hands to my students. So what I did is I downloaded some software called ImageMate from my ELMO, the manufacturer who created my ELMO. I have a TT12 ELMO, which is a pretty common ELMO. It's just connected by a USB cable to my desktop. And with that software, when I minimize my picture in picture, you guys should be able to see my desktop here. So my goal was to have myself, in the picture, and also, be talking to the kids and be showing them the lesson here. And, I thought this might be powerful for teachers and wanted to just give them another tool that you could use. And this is without editing. So you can just use Screencastify and shoot a 5-minute quick video. Or if you got the unlimited vision, you can do that, or version, sorry. And that's basically it. Wanted to give you guys a quick tip.